So Satoshi has spoken again. We're getting a lot more updates and teases and things coming from him. And so I'm going to tell you what he said and the meaning of it. And I think here's the thing. Satoshi, love what he's doing. He's a lot more vocal. He's talking. We know a couple of things. We know that SHIBARIUM is going to launch on August 15/August 16 at ETH Toronto. That is what they've told us, okay? So the cool thing about that is we have a defined date out there. In that capacity, Satoshi's now come out and said, and I'm quoting air quotes here, I'm holding the camera with my other phone, so vision me doing air quotes, that there is more bigger stuff and announcements coming before SHIBARIUM launches. So we've got even some big stuff. Do I know what these things are? No, I have no clue. There's really been no insight or no tease or anything given as to what these quote big announcements are, but we know even more stuff is coming. And what I love about this is that you see the Shiba Inu dev team and the team firing on all proverbial cylinders in this capacity. They're building up the momentum. They're building up the momentum to the August 15, 16 SHIBARIUM launch, and they're leveraging all that attention and all that energy. And I don't want to use the word hype because I don't really believe that it's hype. All that energy and all that momentum to now talk about the fact that there are additional things coming. And that's what I love about what they're doing. Okay. So we've got more stuff coming, more momentum, more announcements coming before the SHIBARIUM launch, which at the end of the day is a good thing. We want this. We want them to be bringing us active stuff. We want them to be bringing more and more information. We also are going to get what they're calling a world paper somewhere around that SHIBARIUM launch as well. It may be simultaneous coming out of ETH Toronto. And that world paper is, we've been told, and I'm quoting, is going to detail all and every single aspect of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, inclusive of Treat, the new token that's coming out, ShibaSwap 2.0, and everything that is coming, within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and giving us exact kind of insight into plans and all that's going to be happening. So with that, lots of good stuff. Satoshi has spoken, quote, more bigger things are coming. We'll have to see what all that kind of plays out and what we see. I will see you. Have a good one. Go make some money. Bye.